Imagine turning a single dollar into a towering stack of $1,000 bills, seemingly overnight. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But in the electrifying world of cryptocurrencies, such dreams inch closer to reality. Before we embark on this deep dive into Bitcoin's breathtaking journey and the audacious prediction that it could hit a jaw-dropping price of $1 million sooner than we think, I have a small favor to ask. If you find value in today's video and want to keep up with the fascinating world of finance and investments, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Your support means we can continue exploring these incredible stories together. Now, buckle up as we explore how this digital gold rush is reshaping the future of finance and possibly your future too. Bitcoin, the name that's danced on the tongues of investors and dreamers alike, has recently surged past the $70,000 mark. With its value skyrocketing, the excitement around it grows daily, promising new peaks. But what's fueling this ascent to the stars? Enter the scene, the revolutionary spot Bitcoin ETFs. These new kids on the block have opened floodgates of investment, attracting everyone from the curious newbie to the seasoned financial giants. Let's break it down a little. Think of Bitcoin like a treasure map leading to untold riches. In the past, this map was hard to read, and only the most adventurous could follow its path. But with the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs, it's as if we've been given a clear, well-marked map, and everyone is invited to the treasure hunt. These ETFs have made investing in Bitcoin as simple as buying shares in your favorite companies, revolutionizing how we approach this digital currency. The excitement isn't just a buzz, it's backed by hard, cold numbers. Investment giants like BlackRock have leaped into the fray, with billions of dollars pouring into Bitcoin, signaling a vote of confidence in its future. With such a massive influx of investment, it's no wonder Bitcoin's price has soared to new heights. But it's not just about the money flowing in, it's about the doors it opens for everyday investors to participate in what could be the greatest financial revolution of our time. As we stand at this pivotal moment, the air is thick with anticipation. Will Bitcoin continue its meteoric rise, or are there challenges ahead? The path is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The journey is just as thrilling as the destination. So as we dive deeper into Bitcoin's story, remember, we're not just talking about numbers on a screen. We're witnessing history in the making, a financial saga for the ages. Picture this, a bridge that connects two worlds, the traditional financial system on one side and the exciting, untamed landscape of cryptocurrency on the other. This bridge is what we call Bitcoin ETFs, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about investing in digital currencies. But what makes these ETFs so special? Why are they considered a game changer in the world of Bitcoin? Let's unpack the magic and mystery behind them. First off, ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are not a new concept. They've been around, allowing people to invest in a basket of stocks, bonds, or commodities. However, the introduction of Bitcoin ETFs brings this familiar investment vehicle into the digital age, allowing it to carry the weight of Bitcoin's potential in its cargo. It's like having a treasure chest that's easy to carry and fits right into your investment portfolio. These Bitcoin ETFs do something remarkable. They democratize access to Bitcoin, making it possible for anyone with a brokerage account to get a piece of the action. No more navigating the sometimes murky waters of cryptocurrency exchanges. No more worries about digital wallets and private keys. It's Bitcoin investment made simple, safe, and regulated. Imagine telling your grandparents they can invest in Bitcoin just as easily as they invest in their favorite stocks. The impact has been immediate and immense. Giants of the investment world, like BlackRock, have thrown their hats into the ring, bringing with them waves of capital that have sent Bitcoin's price on a thrilling ride upwards. It's not just about the big players, though. Small investors, those looking to dip their toes into the cryptocurrency waters, now have a safe and straightforward way to do so. This broadening of the investor base is a critical step toward Bitcoin's maturity as an asset. But what's truly exciting is the confidence these ETFs instill. With reputable firms managing these funds, investors feel more secure in their Bitcoin ventures, leading to more money flowing into the cryptocurrency space. This influx of investment doesn't just boost Bitcoin's price, it solidifies its status in the financial world, moving it from the fringes into the mainstream. As we marvel at the transformative power of Bitcoin ETFs, it's clear they're not just a new way to invest. They're a testament to Bitcoin's growing acceptance and a bridge to its future. And as more investors cross this bridge, who knows what heights Bitcoin will reach next? One thing is for certain, the journey is as exhilarating as ever, and everyone's invited. Now, let's dive into a topic that's as colorful and varied as a box of crayons. But instead of coloring, we're talking about the art of investment allocation. This is where Bitcoin really begins to shine, showing its true colors in the portfolios of investors around the globe. The question on everyone's mind is, how much Bitcoin should I own? The answer is evolving, painting a fascinating picture of confidence and ambition in the cryptocurrency's future. Traditionally, portfolio strategists might have suggested a modest sprinkle of Bitcoin, a mere 1% to 5%, treating it like a spicy ingredient that's too strong to dominate the dish. However, a shift is happening, a bold reimagining of the recipe for financial success. Leading this charge is ARK Invest, suggesting that Bitcoin shouldn't just be a sprinkle, but a substantial slice of the pie, advocating for an allocation as high as 20%. Imagine that, 20% of your investment portfolio glowing with the digital sheen of Bitcoin. Why such a significant shift? It's all about belief in Bitcoin's potential and a recognition of its growing stability and acceptance. Increasing Bitcoin's slice of the investment pie isn't just about seeking higher returns. It's a vote of confidence in its role as a fundamental asset in modern portfolios. It represents a shift from seeing Bitcoin as an outsider to recognizing it as a cornerstone of investment strategy. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine your investment portfolio as a garden. In the past, Bitcoin might have been a wildflower, intriguing but uncertain, tucked away in a corner. Now, it's becoming a central feature, a robust and blossoming tree that provides shade and fruit to the entire garden. This change in allocation reflects a broader trend in financial thinking, acknowledging that Bitcoin and, by extension, cryptocurrency has matured and stabilized enough to be a major player in the investment landscape. But why does this matter? Higher allocation means more investment flowing into Bitcoin, driving its price and prominence even higher. It's a self-reinforcing cycle. As Bitcoin becomes a more significant part of portfolios, its importance in the financial world grows, attracting more investors and further increasing its value. This cycle of growth and acceptance is pivotal, not just for Bitcoin, but for the entire concept of digital currencies. As we explore this allocation game, it's clear that Bitcoin's journey is about more than just numbers on a screen or fluctuations in price. It's about how we perceive value, risk, and opportunity in a rapidly changing world. With each investor who decides to make Bitcoin a more substantial part of their portfolio, we're not just witnessing a shift in investment strategies. We're watching the evolution of financial thought itself, one allocation at a time. As we venture deeper into the heart of Bitcoin's realm, a cyclical phenomenon looms on the horizon, known as the Bitcoin halving. This event is as mystical as it sounds, casting a spell on Bitcoin's value in its community every 4 years. But what exactly is this halving, and why does it hold such power over the fortunes of Bitcoin? Gather around as we unravel the mystery of the Bitcoin halving and its role in the digital currency's epic tale. The halving is a scheduled event in Bitcoin's code that cuts the reward for mining new Bitcoins in half. It's Bitcoin's way of enforcing digital scarcity, a concept as old as the hills in the world of finance, but reinvented for the digital age. Like gold miners finding less gold over time, Bitcoin miners receive fewer Bitcoins for their efforts as time marches on. This scarcity is what makes Bitcoin tantalizingly valuable. In the past, each halving has been a herald of monumental price surges, leading many to view it with a mix of anticipation and reverence. It's as if Bitcoin undergoes a metamorphosis, emerging more valuable with each cycle. Historical patterns paint a picture of growth and prosperity following these events, igniting the imaginations of investors dreaming of the next peak. Yet, as we approach the next halving, a shadow of skepticism creeps in, whispering words of caution. Giants like JP Morgan Chase cast doubt, suggesting that the halving might not wield the magic it once did. They warn of a potential cooling period, a time when the euphoria fades and reality bites back, possibly leading to a decrease in Bitcoin's value. It's a reminder that in the world of cryptocurrency, the only constant is change. But even amidst these cautionary tales, the halving remains a beacon of hope for many. It represents a fundamental part of Bitcoin's story, a testament to its design and enduring appeal. As we stand on the cusp of this event, questions abound. Will history repeat itself, catapulting Bitcoin to new heights, or are we entering uncharted waters where past performance can no longer guide us? As we ponder these questions, the halving teaches us a valuable lesson about Bitcoin and the broader world of cryptocurrencies. It's a world where tradition and innovation collide, where the principles of scarcity and value are reimagined for a digital age. The halving is not just an event, it's a chapter in Bitcoin's ongoing saga, one that invites us to dream, debate, and above all, watch closely as the future unfolds. As our journey through the labyrinth of Bitcoin's evolution approaches its climax, we stand before the towering question that looms over enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Can Bitcoin truly reach the mythical price of $1 million? This question isn't just about numbers, it's a probe into the very soul of cryptocurrency, challenging our beliefs about value, innovation, and the future of finance. To embark on the path to $1 million, 3 pivotal milestones lay before us. First, the relentless influx of investment into Bitcoin ETFs must continue, each dollar acting as a stepping stone towards this lofty goal. These ETFs are not just vessels for investment, they're beacons of legitimacy, drawing in both the curious and the cautious, building a broad and resilient foundation for Bitcoin's value. Next, the visionaries and strategists guiding the world's portfolios must press on, pushing the boundaries of Bitcoin allocation. As they paint the future with strokes of boldness, suggesting allocations that would have been unimaginable a decade ago, they forge a new paradigm. The increase from a modest suggestion to a significant portion reflects a profound shift in perception, from Bitcoin as an outsider to a mainstay of investment strategy. Finally, the cyclical magic of the Bitcoin halving must continue to cast its spell, driving scarcity and value in equal measure. Yet, as we've seen, this is no guaranteed potion for success. The landscape of cryptocurrency is ever-changing, and the halving's impact may evolve with it. Will the halving continue to be a catalyst for exponential growth, or will its influence wane as the market matures? As we ponder these conditions, it's clear that the journey to $1 million is fraught with uncertainties and challenges. Yet, in the very fabric of Bitcoin lies the potential for the extraordinary. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a reminder that in the digital age, the limits of value and growth are constantly being redefined. Remember, the story of Bitcoin is not just a financial thriller. It's a narrative about the evolution of currency, technology, and society itself. Whether or not Bitcoin reaches the $1 million mark, its journey is a fascinating chapter in the history of human innovation. As we close this chapter of our exploration, let's not just watch from the sidelines. Let's be part of the conversation, the speculation, and the wonder as we witness the unfolding of this unprecedented saga in the world of finance. As we conclude our journey through the electrifying landscape of Bitcoin and its potential climb to the $1 million mark, it's clear we've explored much more than just the dynamics of cryptocurrency. We've delved into the essence of what drives value, innovation, and the collective march towards the future of finance. Bitcoin's saga, marked by highs and lows, dreams and debates, reflects the broader story of human endeavor in the digital age. And just before we wrap up, if this exploration has sparked your curiosity or offered you insights, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Bitcoin's future, your experiences with cryptocurrency, or any questions you might have. Your engagement enriches our journey together. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By joining our community, you're not just following a channel, you're diving into a world of insightful content designed to demystify the complex and make the future of finance accessible to everyone. Remember, whether Bitcoin hits that $1 million milestone or takes us on an entirely different adventure, The story of this digital currency is a testament to the power of innovation and belief in the face of uncertainty. Here's to continuing the conversation, exploring new horizons, and being part of a community that's at the forefront of understanding and shaping the future of money. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Until next time, keep investing, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Here's to the journey ahead.